See my arms, I literally have trills from that sound. Still warming up, hasn't ran for quite some time, but it's a hell of a start. Double checking everything, but once we do, we'll give it a little more revs and God, you can't even help it. I've never heard of this exhaust brand before, but I don't like it.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Thank you. And that sounds great. It's just so sick. Oh my God! It reminds me of an old muscle car. That was awesome, wasn't it? Jesus, I love that bike. I gotta stay away from here. It's bad for my wallet.